This is it, you guys. This is the future of VR gaming. I love it. Woo! What is happening, guys? I'm TechSource, and today I'm going to be unboxing and checking out the new Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. A lot of you longtime subscribers know that I'm a huge fan of VR gaming. In fact, if you've seen my last house tour, you know that I own 3 separate pairs of VR headsets. So when Oculus reached out and they said they're going to send me their new Quest 2 VR headset and sponsor this video, I screamed. I screamed like a little spoiled girl who got a brand new car on her 16th birthday. That's how excited I was to check this out. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in the unboxing. All right, guys, here we go. I cannot contain my excitement. Let's see what we got inside this box. Well, it's obviously a VR headset, but what does it look like? Okay, we have a white box. This is actually a first. That was the only way I can get this out of the box, unfortunately. It was such a tight fit. So let me flip this around. It's a white box, so I'm curious. Could it be? Ladies and gentlemen, yes, it could. Oh my God, a white VR headset. This is actually the first time I've seen a VR headset in white. That is looking so clean. Well, let me put this to the side real quick and take a look at the rest of the contents inside the box. So we have a cool little message from Andrew Bosworth, who is the Vice President of Facebook Reality Labs. You guys can pause the video and read this if you like, but there's one sentence I want to read from this that really resonates with me. After all, playing has always been about more than just pushing buttons, a challenge for body and mind that gives movement a soul. The second sentence on this piece of paper pretty much sums up the reason why I enjoy VR gaming a lot more. It's so different when compared to traditional gaming, right? When you think about it, you're just sitting in a static spot and you're looking into a monitor or a display and you're pressing keys on your keyboard or your controller. It's very limited. It's very two-dimensional. But with VR gaming, you immerse yourself in a completely different world. You're essentially becoming a part of the game. So that's why I'm always excited to check out new VR headsets when they get released. So I'm getting excited just thinking about it. Let's continue on with the unboxing because I'm dying to try out the Quest 2. All right, so we have another compartment on the bottom here. So let's see what else we got. Did they actually send merch? No way. Oh, no way, they actually sent a hoodie. Guys, this is the first time I've seen a company send merch with their gaming product. This is actually pretty nuts. We got a super comfortable large hoodie with the Oculus logo on the back. And, oh my God, we have a t-shirt as well that says "Play for Real" in the back. And then we got the Oculus logo in the front. We got 2 wristbands as well in white. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the video. And last but not least, we got a 20.9 ounce stainless steel bottle. Also with the same color scheme. Oh, this is actually pretty sweet. I can never get enough of these. I'm gonna be adding this to my collection, but this was all awesome. Let's take a closer look at the headset itself, guys. This is the main event of the evening. Oh my God, here we go. Oh yes, there she is, ladies and gentlemen. The Oculus Quest 2. So these are the new Quest 2 controllers. I'm actually really glad they stuck to the same design as their previous version. This is very comfortable to hold as well. And in the center, we got the headset. Pretty light for a headset, I'm not gonna lie. So let's put this to the side. In the center, we also got some spacers for the glasses. And finally, a box with the accessories, and I'm guessing batteries for the controllers as well. So, oh, I actually lied. The batteries aren't in here. It's just the power brick and a charging cable. So the battery's already installed in here. All I gotta do is pull the tab out. And we are good to go, ladies and gentlemen. So the Quest 2 features two LCD panels with 50% more pixels than the original Quest, with an 1832 by 1920 resolution for each eye, running at a 90 Hz refresh rate. It also has an improved processor, the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 platform with 6 gigs of RAM. The XR2 platform is said to greatly improve the CPU and GPU performance, and it's a significant upgrade compared to the original Quest, which only had the Snapdragon 835. The headset is also redesigned. It's 10% lighter and in my opinion looks better than the previous headset with a white and gray color scheme. The glasses spacer is a nice add-on and it's appreciated since I do wear blue light glasses when I game, and the installation was pretty easy. I just had to remove the cushion, place the spacer inside and close it back up. I found them to be very comfortable with the glasses that I am using. Speaking of comfort, the Quest 2 is very ergonomic. It is perfectly shaped to sit flush right on my face with tons of padding around the headset. The longest gaming session I had so far was about 4 hours, and I can safely say with confidence that I haven't experienced any fatigue. I found the default size strap on the headset to be perfect for me, but if you're someone with a watermelon-sized head, then you'll be pleased to find out that you can adjust it quite easily by removing the strap in the back. Overall, I'm really loving the changes that Oculus did with their new Quest 2 headset. It's lighter, it's more comfortable, and the setup process is easier than applying thermal paste. One of the things I dislike about VR is the setup process. I hate having to set up sensors in the corners of my room and plugging in millions of cables into the PC. So the fact that this is wireless is awesome. So you might be wondering, how do you install games on this if you're not really plugging it into a PC? Well, there are two ways of doing this actually. The first method is by visiting the Oculus store on the headset and purchasing and downloading the games straight onto the headset. Method number two is by using the Oculus App Store on your smartphone and downloading the games from there straight to your headset. You can either get the 64GB option that starts at $299 or the 256GB option that starts at $399. I was pleased to find that there are a lot of games to choose from the Quest 2 library. However, if you want to play some of the more graphically demanding titles from the Rift library, then you can use Oculus Link. Basically, Oculus Link lets you connect your Quest 2 headset to a compatible gaming PC, giving you access to PC VR games in the Rift library. You will need to do this using a USB 3 Type-C cable that supports both data and power. Oculus does sell an optical fiber cable separately if that's something you are interested in as well. All right, so with all that said, I think it's time to boot up the Quest 2 and test some games on it. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, inside the Oculus Quest 2 home screen. I have no clue where we are, but I am definitely digging the vibe here. It's got a very chill atmosphere, and whoever the interior decorator is, let me just say, that person has some taste, because I can definitely see myself living here. But anywhoosies, I did download some games here to try out. Let's go ahead and start off with Pistol Whip. This one got pretty high reviews, so all right, got a pistol in my hand. I hear some music. This might be a fun game. Let's give it a shot. Select scene. Oh, whoa, okay. Customize. What have we got? Oh, this is pretty sweet. You can customize the gun. You don't got red? Let's go pink, why not? You can even customize the sound effect. What? All right, let's go. Let's see what this game's about. Whoa, okay. This is trippy. It feels like I'm moving. Okay. I gotta get the hang of this. Hold up, let me back up. Aim down to reload? Okay. Oh, okay, that's fair enough. Simple enough. Shoot enemies, repair armor. Oh, I can move. Oh, this is awesome. Here we go. Now finally we got a game that we can move around. That's awesome. Pistol Whip. What? That was awesome. Okay. All right, let's do the grave. Let's do normal. Yeah, guys, I can confirm without a doubt, wireless VR gaming is where it's at. It's just so much better compared to the alternative. I used to play on the Rift S so many times, and it has this cable coming out of the headset that plugs into the PC. And every time I bump into it when I'm in a game, it kind of brings me back to reality. You know, kind of ruins the immersive experience I got going on. And I'm the type of person where I like to get lost in my game. So the fact that the Quest 2 headset doesn't have any wires and I can literally walk anywhere I want just adds to the overall immersive experience. And I absolutely love that. This is it, you guys. This is the future of VR gaming. I love it. Woo! This is so sick. I'm gonna be busy for the next few months, that's for sure. This game is like a cross between Matrix and Beat Saber, like dodging bullets with music and everything. Let's go gangster mode. Gotta tilt the gun to the side like this. Represent West Coast, baby. Oh God, no! This is a good workout, guys. I'm like sweating right now. If you need to shave off a couple pounds, you need to get into VR gaming. Look at that. The response time is ridiculous. No lag whatsoever, guys, and I'm connected via Wi-Fi. That plus the 90 Hz refresh rate panels. Woo! Oh man, do I need to say more? Do I need to say more? All right, that is pretty much it for the video. I had so much fun playing on the Oculus Quest 2 headset. I can definitely say that this is currently my favorite VR headset. It used to be the Rift S, but because these don't have any cables, they are currently my go-to. I want to give a huge thanks to Oculus again for sponsoring this video and sending out the Quest 2 headset just in time for the holidays. Now I got something to keep me busy. But more importantly, if you guys haven't tried VR gaming yet, then do yourselves a favor and pick this up. You're gonna have so much fun with it. I'll drop a link to it down below if you guys wanna check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.